Ever wish you could set it and forget it when it comes to saving? We all know consistency is key to building up that emergency fund or down payment, but who has the time to log in every single week or month? If you're a Bread Savings customer, I've got great news for you. The Bread Savings mobile app lets you schedule those regular transfers right from your phone. This simple feature is a game changer for automating your savings and making sure your money is always working for you. No more reminders, no more missed transfers, just automated progress toward your financial goals. So, how do you set up a recurring transfer on the Bread Savings app? It's incredibly straightforward. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open up the Bread Savings mobile app and log into your account. Once you're in, look at the navigation menu or the main dashboard. You'll want to find the option for transfers. Tap on that. Next, you'll be prompted to select where the money is coming from and where it's going to. Use the drop-down menus to choose your external linked bank account as the From account and your Bread Savings High Yield Savings account as the To account. You can also set up transfers between your Bread Savings accounts if you have multiple. Now, enter the dollar amount you want to transfer. This is the amount that will be moved each time the transfer occurs. This is the important part. To schedule a recurring transfer, look for the option labeled Frequency. Tap on this and you'll see choices like one-time, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Select the option that best fits your budget and savings plan. Monthly is a popular choice for aligning with paychecks. After choosing your frequency, you need to select a start date. This is the first date the transfer will take place. Pick a date that works for you. Finally, decide when the transfers should stop. You can choose to have them continue indefinitely, which is great for long-term savings, or you can set an end date if you're saving for a specific short-term goal. Once you have all your details entered, the amount, the start date, the frequency, and the end rule, take a moment to review the entire transfer setup. Make sure the amounts and dates are exactly right. When you're happy with everything, hit the Schedule or Confirm button. That's it. You'll receive a confirmation, and your regular, automated savings plan is now active. You've just used the Bread Savings app to put your savings on autopilot. Now you can sit back, relax, and watch your balance grow automatically without lifting a finger. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.